So hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how to connect Mendeley to your Microsoft Word, and I think it's called Mendeley Cite. So to use Mendeley Cite, you can click here, get Mendeley Cite, or you can go down to the footer section and click a citation plugin. So here I click on Mendeley Cite. Yeah, so once you click there, this is where it takes you, and you click on get it now. So you click on get it now. Okay, let me enter my Microsoft let me enter my Outlook account. I click sign in, enter my password. Okay, so it was open. I click on get it now. I'm signed in. So it's taking me to Microsoft 365. Okay, so according to what you see here, Mendeley Cite works with Word, MS Word 2016 or 2019 or MS 365. Like mine, I'm using MS 365. So you open a Word. Okay, let me close this. I have a Word that is open here. So let me click open in Word. So you can see that Mendeley has been connected to the reference tab. So you can see the Mendeley Cite with Mendeley ribbon here. So this is how you connect it to MS Word. And from here, I have to click on Get Started. You still remember these are my the research articles that I've added on Mendeley, and also this is my desktop version. So when this is my my web version, and this is my desktop version. So when I connect it with MS Word, all the citations, all of them are going to come out. So let's click on get started. So I have to enter my password. Okay, so I enter my password here and I sign in. So once I've signed in, it will start trying to fetch all the data from my my Mendeley database. So you can see the last article I added, tackling climate change with machine learning. You can see it now. Yeah, tackling climate change with machine learning, and it's still the same thing with here, aka below hooks s bandari. I see it aka below hooks x bandari, the same thing. So this is how to connect your Mendeley with Microsoft Word. It's so easy. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.